Yo guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Xbox Game Pass completely for free. So this is super cool guys, and it's using a coupon code. So what we need to do is go ahead and go to this website called zestcoupons.com. So once you're on this site guys, you're going to see a ton of different discount codes and stuff like that. But all we really care about is Xbox. So as you can see, it says free Game Pass. So just press show coupon code, and this is usually the part where they're going to ask you for your email address. So make sure you go and put that in. I already put it in, but press get full code and then enter your email, and then you will get your Xbox Game Pass promo code. So this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So as you can see, it says reward activated. So then you might have to do a survey. I'm not sure if that's going to pop up for me. And then after that, there's like a deal thing. So yeah, I already did the survey. So it says survey done, optional offers finished. And then the final step is the deals. These deals, guys, are basically like these apps you got to download. I already did this. But anyway, guys, this is how you get Xbox Game Pass for free. So be sure to try it out. So let's go ahead and type in Xbox Game Pass cost. And I'm sure it's not fun. So it's $9.99 a month or $11.99 a month. That's way too much money. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, if you guys want to get free Xbox Game Pass, all you got to do is just go ahead and go over to the zestcoupons.com. So once you're on this website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Xbox. And as you can see, guys, it says Xbox Game Pass. So just press on that, and then you can get the free Xbox Game Pass. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if this video worked to you guys, be sure to go and share it because it's super cool. And I was able to get free Xbox Game Pass, which is so awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.